Folks, if you are just joining us, we are showing you the very first aerial shots of New Orleans today. This is, I guess you could call this the aftermath. These are some of the very first aerial pictures of what New Orleans looks like today, and you actually get to see it.
Well, I just heard the news today. It seems my life is gonna change. I close my eyes, begin to pray, then tears of joy stream down my face with arms wide open.
The United States Coast Guard search and rescue helicopter is what we're being told. That's what you're seeing here, this red helicopter.
I'll show you everything with arms wide open. With arms wide open. Well, I don't know if I'm ready to be the man I have to be. I'll take the man, I'll take her by my side. We're standing on, we created life with arms wide open. Under the sunlight, welcome to this place. I'll show you everything with arms wide open. Now everything has changed. I'll show you now. I'll show you everything with arms wide open. With arms wide open. I'll show you everything. Oh yeah. With arms wide open.
Video for the first or second time. There's a hole in the roof, you understand, where this gentleman got out of his attic. And so many people joke about having an axe in the attic. This is why people in New Orleans have an attic. Look at the rooftops. Look at the funny numbers. Incredible. So that we can see somebody waving. And down they go, pulling off. So lucky they might do it. We're talking about, what, at least 200 people that called in. 200 calls on roof. Please come get us. And of course, during the height of the storm, nobody could go in and get them. And when it calmed down, this is what was taking place, the search and rescue.